Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Now, sorry it's been about a couple months. It's been 2 months since my last upload, which was the Minecraft gameplay episode 3, online episode 3. Now, I'll be doing posts by the way. I got pink hair, which I didn't do a video on it basically. But today is Friday, March 30th, 2017. Now, tomorrow is the 31st. Now this video is going to be another tech result video. Now, I got everything back from my room, but I'm not going to show it because myself is going to be not going to be doing this. But while this is, if you wanted to skip this mark, go to this next mark, which I'm gonna show you. Okay, good. Now, basically, this video will be, before I start this video, it will be basically, there's gonna be no cuss, so this will be a no cursing video. But if you notice any cursing, please comment down below. Also, the last video was the jailbreak shooting star meme, so I'll see you in a couple seconds. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Now, sorry it's been about a couple months since my last upload, but today we're gonna do a tech review. Now, there's 2 new pieces of tech that I'll do, but the other one will be in a separate video. So let's get into it. The piece of tech that I'm gonna be reviewing is this boombox right here. Now, why this boombox right here? This boombox was released in 1997. It has both CD and cassettes. Prints and CD. It has a handle too, which has 2 big speakers. It has the 3 options. It has a cord, runs on C batteries, and it actually it does really well for CD too. One issue that it does have is it will actually skip some of the song on CD. Show me the meaning of being lonely. Cassette is also better quality. Now now for this boombox, it also has a cord which runs on this, which I have it plugged in all the time, and now unfortunately I got this boombox for free. I didn't buy it from eBay or anything. I got this for free. So this boombox was a relic. Skippy, will you stop it? Turns out that this boombox was better. Stop. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry if this was a short video. I couldn't let you guys see me not doing the channel, and my mom's trying to force me to delete my channel.